All right, welcome back. And we have Bianca Coats is with us, and we're talking about breast cancer, October, Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
Yes.
So what are some of those breast cancer stats that people need to know?
Yes, so according to the American Cancer Society, 30% of menopausal women that have that breast cancer diagnosis is linked to diet. And so about 50% of those, it means that it can be prevented by lifestyle changes, right? If we make those changes, we can probably prevent those diagnoses. So just thinking about the obesity and overweight rates, that excess fat can lead to chronic inflammation, and chronic inflammation leads to cancer diagnosis.
So it's important for your diet, obviously, is what you're
Yes.
saying. And so what foods are important to kind of battle that and combat that diagnosis?
Right, so that's going to be your cruciferous. We're starting with cruciferous to prevent. That's going to be your broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, kale. If you think about that, it's kind of easy to get that in as like a little side. And that's what kind of blocks those carcinogens which lead to cancer. Next is going to be antioxidants. We've heard of those. That protects our immunity, but it also prevents cancer. That's your red peppers, your oranges, your citrus fruit, your berries. That will help to protect your cells. And then also looking at your omega-3s. We talk about that all the time, and your salmon, walnuts, flax seeds. That is great to ward off those cancer cells. And so we need to make a note that we need to decrease those fried foods and smoked foods. The more that you eat, the more it increases your risk for cancer. And then also just kind of incorporating whole grains. Green tea is also a great option as well.
Interesting. All right. So tell us some myths, though. I'm sure that people hear a lot of things from friends, family. So there are a lot of myths. How do you dispel some of those, or tell us a little bit about that?
So one of the big ones is going to be soy. We hear about soy and we're saying, don't eat soy. But soy is actually a good prevention for breast cancer. So you want to incorporate, if you want to have that tofu or soy milk, that's fine. People also say that sugar feeds cancer. Sugar doesn't feed it, but sugar does cause inflammation, which leads to cancer. So we need to know that maybe decreasing on the sugar intake would be a great thing. And then mammograms are gold standard for early detection.
Gotcha. Bianca Coats, thanks so much for coming in.
Thank you.
Good to talk to you as always.
Yes.
All right, we'll be right back. Don't go away. Much more after this.